Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Cosmic Byte CB-GK-16 Firefly Mechanical Keyboard. So let's take a look at the box and check out some of the features. We've got a braided cable, which is nice. We've got USB Type A input. We've got all key anti-ghosting, which is a feature that is appreciated on gaming keyboards, which basically allows you to press multiple keys at the same time and have all of them be registered. We've got mechanical keys, of course. We've got RGB LEDs, so this is a backlit keyboard. A compact design. This is a 10 key less keyboard, so you don't have the numpad on the right side, so it does make the keyboard quite compact. We've got a metal base on this, which makes it quite sturdy. So let's take a look at the other side, see if there's anything else. We've got Outemu switches. So this is basically Outemu Blue, which is very similar to Cherry MX, but these are cheaper, more akin to Gale Blue or but the feeling is basically the same. So they are very less actuation force and very clicky, which is very enjoyable for a lot of people who like typing. These are considered the most comfortable to type on. But these aren't Cherry MX switches, which is probably a reason why this is a more budget-friendly mechanical keyboard. What else? Yep. Well, let's take a look inside the box. So here we have the keyboard, and do we have anything else inside the box? No, it doesn't look like it. It's just the keyboard. So let's get the box out of the way and get the keyboard over here, and let's get this out of the way. Okay, so here you have the Cosmic Byte GK16 Firefly keyboard, and so as you can see, like we mentioned above, there's no numpad, so that does bring the form factor down considerably. It's a very compact keyboard, so it's very useful for those who have who want a mechanical keyboard but don't have a lot of space on their desktops or have smaller spaces to work with. Also, these are all of these keyboards, all of these keys basically have lights behind them, so this is what lights up, and we're assuming there's a set, like a fixed number of patterns that the LED supports, which I'm sure you can customize using Cosmic Byte software, or it's just probably automatic. Do we have anything on the sides? No, there are no extra ports or anything like that. At the back, you've got two of these stands to elevate the keyboard for those who want some height while typing, which is nice. As you can see, you can hear the clicking. It's very loud. This is typically what blue keys sound like. As the box mentioned, these are Outemu Blue switches. So if you take a look inside, you can see these are the Outemu Blue. They have a little border on the side, which is something that is not there on Cherry MX keys, but they should in theory give you the same feeling as typing on Cherry MX Blue keys. And you've also got some media controls on the top here: volume control, mute, pause, play, fast forward, rewind, and yes, it's got most of the stuff you'd expect from a compact mechanical gaming keyboard. So there you have the Cosmic Byte CB-GK-16 Firefly mechanical keyboard. Actually, hold on, let's take a look at the wire as well. Yes, so this is the braided cable. Not much else to it. You've also got the USB Type A at the end, but it's quite sturdy, so it's quite durable as well. Feels quite durable, but yeah. There you have the Cosmic Byte CB-GK-16 Firefly mechanical gaming keyboard. Thanks for watching.